How to find old messages on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from here. In this chat, scroll up to view all your messages, media, and documents shared in this chat. Now go back to the previous page and tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. This is the WhatsApp settings page. Here, go to Chats and then go to Chat Backup. Now, you can view your chat backup information such as the last backup date and size. You can also choose what you want to backup and how often. You can turn on end-to-end encrypted backup at the end to protect your backup for another layer of security. You can repeat this to find your old messages for other chats on WhatsApp as well. Following these steps, you can easily find old messages on WhatsApp.